Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Manu, your friendly place to learn English easily.
Hi, friends. So nice to see you again here on Mr. English Manu.
How are you today, Emma? Feeling good?
I'm feeling great, thank you. How about you, Manu?
I'm doing well. I had a big cup of coffee, so I'm ready to talk, teach, and have fun.
Haha. Coffee helps everything. I had tea, my usual morning friend.
Nice. Friends, tell us in the comments, do you like coffee or tea? Or juice maybe?
Yes, we want to know. Let's start with some smiles and good energy.
Perfect. So Emma, what are we learning today on Mr. English Manu?
Today's topic is very useful. We're learning how to form sentences in English while writing.
Oh yes. That's the base of everything. If you can form sentences, you can write anything.
Exactly. We'll learn step by step, slowly and clearly.
But first, friends, please subscribe to our channel Mr. English Manu.
Yes. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Your support helps us make more videos for you. Learning together is the best way.
Alright, ready to start? Let's go.
First question, Emma, what is a sentence?
A sentence is a group of words that gives a clear meaning.
Easy, right? A sentence must make sense.
Yes, and the words have to be in the right order.
That's the key, word order.
For example, I am happy is correct.
But if you say, happy I am, it sounds funny. Like Yoda from Star Wars.
Haha. Yes, funny but not natural English.
So, the structure is important. Rule 1, subject plus verb plus object.
Repeat with us. Subject, verb, object.
Subject, verb, object. Example, I eat apples.
I is the subject, eat is the verb, and apples is the object.
Simple and complete.
Friends, your turn. Write one sentence like that in the comments.
For example, he plays football.
Or, they love music. Each one follows the same rule.
Nice. So that's step 1. Now step 2, add details.
Details make your sentence interesting. For example, I eat apples, I eat red apples every morning.
Perfect. More clear and colorful.
You can add adjectives, red, happy, big, or adverbs, quickly, slowly.
Example, she writes beautifully or he runs fast.
True. Short sentences can grow stronger with small changes.
Building sentences is like building a house. One word, one brick.
Nice image, Manu. Step 3. Use polite expressions.
Yes, polite English sounds nice to everyone. Words like please, thank you, and could you.
Instead of give me pen, say, could you please give me a pen?
Exactly. More natural and friendly.
Let's make a few polite sentences.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Could you help me, please?
I would like to learn English.
Thank you so much for your help.
Great. Friends, please repeat them aloud.
Repeating helps memory. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak.
Yes. Speak with confidence. Everyone learns by trying.
Next, let's connect ideas. Manu, tell us how.
We use connecting words and but, because, so.
Example, I like coffee and tea.
I like coffee but not sugar.
I stayed home because it was raining.
It was raining, so I stayed home.
Nice rhythm. Connecting words make writing smooth.
Writing flows like music when connectors are right.
That's why practicing them is important.
Next topic, types of sentences.
For main types, statement, question, command, exclamation.
Let's do examples. Statement, I like English.
Question, do you like English?
Command, please sit down.
Exclamation, wow, that's amazing.
Perfect. Let's say them again for our viewers. Statement, question, command, exclamation.
Repeat them aloud. Your tongue will remember.
Okay, it's story time now. Emma, tell us about one student.
Oh yes. When I started teaching, one student wrote, I happy learning.
I see missing an.
Yes. I told him, you need the verb. Then he wrote, I am happy learning and smiled.
That one small word made a big difference.
Exactly. Verbs are the heart of sentences. They give action and life.
So true. Many learners forget is, am, or are.
Let's do a short review. I am, you are, he is, she is, they are.
Nice. You can make hundreds of sentences with this.
For example, I am tired. You are kind. He is tall. They are funny.
Excellent. Try more and write them in your notebook.
Yes. Practice daily. Even 5 minutes is good.
Now, let's show a role play for our viewers.
Yay! Role plays are my favorite part.
Situation, you visit a cafe. I'm the server.
Great. Let's start.
Good afternoon. Welcome. What would you like to order?
Hello. I would like a sandwich and a cup of tea, please.
Sure. Would you like milk with your tea?
Yes, please. And 1 spoon of sugar. Thank you.
You are welcome. Anything else for you today?
No, that's all. How much is it?
It's $5, please.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Nice. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
See? A full, polite, natural conversation.
Yes. You can use it at any cafe or restaurant.
Friends, try this with a partner at home. Practice helps fluency.
Or record your voice and listen. That helps pronunciation.
Excellent tip. Now, sentence starters.
Great topic. Sentence starters help you sound confident.
For example, I think, in my opinion, I believe.
You can say, I think English is fun.
Or, in my opinion, writing is easier than speaking.
Nice. I believe practice makes me better.
Add those to your writing. They sound polite and smart.
Exactly. Now let's do our mid-lesson recap.
Okay. Today's new words and phrases. Subject, verb, object.
Please, thank you, could you, would you.
Connecting words. And, but, because, so.
Sentence types, statement, question, command, exclamation.
And sentence starters. I think, I believe, in my opinion.
Perfect. Let's say them again together. Subject, verb, object. Please. Thank you. And. But. Because. So. I think. I believe.
Nicely done. You're learning fast.
So proud of you, friends. Small steps matter.
Remember, daily practice builds skill.
Yes. Write one short paragraph each day.
Like, today I woke up early. I cooked breakfast. I felt happy. I went for a walk. Now I am learning English.
That's perfect grammar and structure.
You can add adjectives. I cooked delicious breakfast.
Or emotions, I felt proud because I studied English.
Beautiful. Step by step, your English will grow.
And please, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are teachers.
Exactly. Even native speakers make them. We just keep going.
Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race.
Love that line. Journey, not race.
So true. Now, question of the day time.
Yay! What's the question today, Manu?
Easy one. Can you write 3 simple sentences using today's rule, subject plus verb plus object?
Yes. Write them in the comments. We'll check and reply.
Example, I eat rice. She plays guitar. They watch movies.
Perfect. Your turn now. Go write them after this video.
And one more thing, subscribe to Mr. English Manu for more friendly English conversations.
Like, share, comment, and keep shining in your English journey.
We love reading your comments. It makes us so happy.
Yes. You are part of our Mr. English Manu family now.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and don't give up.
You're doing great. Trust yourself.
Time to say goodbye now, but only for today.
See you soon in the next episode of Mr. English Manu.
Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay learning.
Take care, everyone. Bye.
Bye bye. See you next time on Mr. English Manu.